UNii Innovated Security Redundant Configuration. Some projects require a 24/7 availability. For this applications, the UNii supports redundancy. In a redundant installation, an extra UNii is added to back up the primary panel. In case of a failure of the primary panel, the backup panel will take over and will handle all communication with the connected devices. In case of an interruption of cabling, for example due to works, both panels will handle their part of the connected devices. The information regarding the status of the devices will be shared between the two panels. By just adding a second UNii panel, the security will be available 24/7, a unique feature for high-risk situations. Visit unisecurity.com for more information.